Do it again. Did you get it in your nose? It's okay. Try it again. Go. Good job. You gonna do more? Okay, take your finger out of your nose. You got a boogie? Oh, now you put it in your ear? You gonna blow more bubbles or are you all done?
More bubbles.
All right, let me see. You want to show Daddy the tattoo on your arm? Show him the tattoo.
No.
Show him on your arm. The one on your arm is still there. Over here, look. Oh, man.
Two.
Tattoo. Good job.
Daddy.
You showing Daddy?
Two. Daddy.
Another one. You gonna wave high?
Daddy.
Wave high with your hands. Your ears hurt? Put some medicine in them when we're all done?
Medicine.
Yeah. Wave hi to Daddy. Say hi.
Daddy.
Say I love you. You want to see Jules? Say I love you.
I feel Daddy.